Today we're going to be looking at the coolest desk organizer I have ever seen in my life. Let's get going. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life. Okay, today I want to take you on a little tour of this unit that I bought for my desk. And it also has two little baskets that are for Michael's. But I got this unit online. It's from I can look it up. It's right here. It's from IKEA, something like that. And the reason I love this so much, and I wanted to show it to you, and I painted it all these colors. This is my painted box technique that I showed you. If you want to, I'll put a link to that so that you can see it. But what I love about it is if I want to move it out, I can make it longer or shorter because these overlap. I could also turn it and put it in the corner, but what I found was that when I did that, I felt very boxed in. It has a bunch of little drawers, so there's my daubers and things, and then it has all these little tiny drawers where you can put your paper clips and your grommets. Anybody who's followed me for any length of time knows I have a little grommet issue. You can keep all of the things that you use frequently. Like I use these stencils in almost every project I make, so I can keep them right here by me rather than having to go dig with them. I have my regular paints, all my scissors, and my paint brushes there. I have all my acrylic paints. And then here's my hodgepodge. If you saw my video of how to use up all your supplies instead of keeping them in a drawer, this is the one for you. You need to get some little baskets. And then last but not least, this is my secret weapon. I use all these little old-fashioned biscuit tins that you get that have all my clips and my brads and things like that, my rusted bits, and it just fits right in there. So that is the coolest desk organizer I have ever seen. All right, last but not least, I wanted to show you that you can turn that end piece to the side if you want. My desk is super tiny, super little, but if you had a longer desk, it would be really nice to be able to turn that corner piece, and then you would have that whole other area right there that you could add some more stuff to. So hopefully that helps. Tara Jacobson, Artsy Fartsy Life.